Honorable Adutwum, with your SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country, Yamawa Kwa Baba Ejumedieso.
Yeah, me also niya.
Na pacho apom to say.
Oh, yeah,
Great to have you on the show. And in TS, Wakako file your nomination. How did it go? Saying
it went very well. It was smooth, nothing, no glitches, everything was great. We are done.
Antino uko no message ben or the two a party a chita for no enim.
Oh, now I'm cancel some strong January 31st. Omontuaba and na Ubia. Omudina koma Ghana for Begina Tumpe Kwape, Noma Tuabama no. SOMPA no ye delegates no, ye kuino no, ye yina magana for. Enti Omunche. And so the tradition there, Omudina Ghana for Begina Tumpe Kwape. If I just read and they are up to delegates and now who and the Panswa or Menison, the Empress a ball may see much. Ye be from Dr. Nkomaso, Princess and Mahama, Penny beginning now, my name at a sack, ball mine. Then so a conditional that I should see him, and he a quite fast riding in Singapore. And it says every abomading, let's add your share, there be a fire, your torture, near digging as a son, yes, some. Na Uncle Basso Maya, my who's catcher or me, and may call. And Yakoela and Suna, Singapore, Pizzica Ghana, Singapore for Ghana 1963. You can you be who Ghana, who dream, no catch and for the Ghana for a year day. And in fear do you see a cheap. Ye call me, I could throw one my BB after cheer. The BB after cheer and Dr. Dickinson said, fucking be a young to India. Kolaku senior high school fee, 1957 year old, or real middle school as well as senior school no could be. Be a school as well could be. And here for one could be no one can a ball co. It's here, no memuna. It's here. The time of my penny common started to see factories I can see. And then get this term education by and engineers I can see on the running factories, every year more on the factories name. You're fucking no and queen. Yang boom compound coherent me who baby I said snakes near my. Say this term education medium, then. And your school no more Shannon Quanson and I'm the name do, the name say. South fucking no, and I am 20, am I a minor and puntu, uncle talking, and said the Singapore, South Korea. And an Indian China for any moon be here. If you ever do a mokudu, a war, a crown of fast war, but you have a formula do the South formula no, and other petition at Bidaba from 2029. Now, Ghana, that's where I say, who's the doing the amount for Castle? It's a Ghana, very upper middle income. The day, I bet it's me a year near my year researching. My dear Busan, who say, okay, researching, okay, so transform Ghana. Now, so economic growth rate, I already share budget in 4.4%.
Yeah.
Or maybe any honma or the 4.4% at transform. It's also not less than 10% consistently over 20 years. Then you become a family income. It's no rocket science. It's a formula.
Please, can I badge in? Ukase, and yet rocket science. It's a formula. Listening to the finance minister, Abrana or setting a group target. Ubu din Sisiano. He made mention of the fact I was almost setting a realistic target, and Puno say almost setting that target. No mu go over that target, that it means that they are working towards achieving.
And yet a critique of this finance minister.
Okay, that's fine.
About from independence to this day, why did we not become a transformed nation? Finance minister,
yeah.
Where do you get the idea? But the main kind of say, so Rwanda. All the time, you are not born 9.9 economic growth rate. Meaning, as I'm not a kind of time, oh, here and yet, though. Look at me, maybe here to be paying. Spending a young boy, and a little baby, I'm to family can make more to schools. I in the market, I can see of Hansami Bagana. You said you would be here, you said you can sit here. Now, Initially, the who no, and they say, the bang machine. Me and a Ghana, ya can't stem medication, you can't stem medication. They are Bama, you get it the same about.
That one that one I can attest to, because I was the regional PRO for Bono East Region Ghana Education Service, and the changes you brought to the education sector very, very laudable, and we applaud you for that. But do you think, sir, the delegates within your party would embrace this kind of knowledge and ideas, sir? Would it no matter Obama one?
Oh, you say, yeah, woman say, and I can't say, we are delegates. Maybe our young Kubusa or Sofu, Sahana Mentumano, Kubusa or Imam, Sahana Mentumano, Nebusa Ghana for. I'm better about 2028 December 7th. Say, Moshi ni pay a party or my bay. Why am I meant to mano? We had not Bremois, Ubegina Tumu. Nothing.
Because I was
reading. Delegator, next out there and I will
yeah.
President 2029. Into the air can say. So what you are on Tantan whom they be within us, who's a Ghana for? So presidential candidate win there, who's a Ghana for? Frabber, I didn't find go baby out. Near the cover again, Frabber or Ben winning again, Saba, a bang. Near the Trojan muscle. It will be a massive teacher. Musagana for independent Nano. Why any admit Bremois, Mobegina Tum. It's one said, party being you are gonna have or more quanko for waiting the Marco presidency.
Sure.
Opienho. Who's here independent voters no? Oma create mini toss one in Timonia Bay 41 years. It will don't think so much. Now, the almost say, the Emfa party, yeah, the Penono. Now, when you should have a better amount. Almost 7 years can. And to me, unknown delegates, cancer the television and Israel didn't move. Yam year, we machine the back of my mooning and punch you more. The best is Sagana. The Madaruma, Montomame. Now, if you are here on Tantanta, Musa say, about me go through. Mimi and the new tissue. Why not you said in a bow, moving up the panel to a man? And if I don't know the country says of the television brand, you're a trauma.
I was going through the. Just a last question. Just a last question. I was reading through the African Watch magazine, which are now OKBB say party no idea muhia in Kabum. How do you, aspire to address that kind of unity within the party?
As a flag-bearer candidate, my pledge is very simple. I will not say anything negative about other aspirants. If you said Dr. Adutwum delegates to Manua, Obia and Kase, now or a can be asem, in years I didn't to Mano. So, in Jim Fitiasiano, especially a campaign, Papa. Near campaign, Papa, and I say, Encofa, Omon Tower Chikra, no. It's me, Kase. A woman say, Quenbisono, near Yankofo, dear, or Yamini dear, Nance when you did the time at Tinatum, and decide the Amensono, made Maba at the man, met time at Nia Baku. Tinkabo Mona dear, quite the first of their campaign, in Yapapa, would it be at me and all kinds of them come home? At in dinner, Hannah, Sinon Fancho. So, and to move the minister, Jane, as you to train in your campaign, Hopa, Medasi.
Yes, we are say. We would have loved to have this. So that we have
your wedding campaign after I started the nomination to history.
History. We are the first to have an interview with you. Yeah, that's it. God bless you, and we wish you well in your future endeavor. I wish you for Honorable Adutwum, former education minister, and I'll tell you, I know Edin Komo. Anyway, live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. I would have loved to have lots of conversations with him. There were so many issues he raised, because I just had a copy of the Africa Watch magazine this afternoon, and I was reading through and perusing it, and they had projected him. There were lots of questions out of there to which I would have loved to encounter him. But as he's rightly said, he's moving to another station. And of course, yes, we are the first. SOMPA for God and country. Oko filing a nomination we are on a Edinkomo. We are very grateful to him. Honorable Kwesiwogu, I was so kakra.
Nema Papa Adutwum say na no about him being a Anna.
Osei.
Now no so don't know education minister.
Yes.
Nema pa education ya no kan Anna.
Ken was also a member of parliament then, and
please.
Yeah.
Member of parliament is not member of government, please.
I know, but he was a member of the parliament.
Ken never sat in cabinet. Final decisions are taken in cabinet. He was not a member of cabinet.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What were some of those things?
That's truth. We start in this party, and party people collected money from senior party people, collected money from party for giving the jobs. What are you talking? Kennedy condemned this, spoke against it. Meanwhile, because we ban police in this car. We are coordinator in the best cancer. Placement system. I'm not here to condemn Adutwum. Greater Accra. We send placement of schools to him. I was here delayed by 30 minutes. 1 year. Where he was sitting was a political position and not an administrative position. And this is why you honor as your education minister.
No.
What's for your job? You want some Musau? What are you gonna watch in America? I said on here trying and never come about.
But have you read the Ghana Watch magazine?
Yes, and I'm saying that.
Have you read it?
Yes.
What kind?
Yes, it's not about Ghana Web. They sit in Europe and write what they
not
want.
Ghana Web, Ghana Watch magazine.
Let Ghana Watch stay in America or London and write what they want to write. You think Groma can just say IMF group in Ghana 30% increment still not coming to no Groma and you know. So what are they talking? You say Afro barometer see Ghana growth is 60% and one and I'm sorry they go IMF. And you know. So what are you talking? Reality on the ground. Bread and butter.
But he has made mention of the fact, sir. And then MPP addition for Nkwane Betimiama a year a party, a dinkuni. And you are here postulating, sir, party ma kwakope a ye eduma, ye jomo bibika kransana. So we are talking about the generality of Ghanaians.
Okay, if Ghanaians want him, on what you say MPP, I'm say Ghana or 40%, and this or 40%. He can bring the 20. 40 guys are who anymore. Over any 20 also. 40 20 then also. Tell me. 40 20. You need that 40 solid before you can add up. Anna 40 is we anymore. Where else also.
Now why not catch us a 40 no money?
Maybe a party in America just anymore. And then okay. Maybe a party. I'm speaking for myself. Everything I say is not allegation. I can prove it.
You are an individual.
Oh. Yeah. What they call responsible. Yeah?
Yes.
Minimum, there are certain things we need to understand.
Like
national service. Simple thing postings, party for the politics. So let me see. But in tell you see, national service posting, NDC for the young come from the office. On this okay. The office and national service secretariat. Because party for posting, so we now you see online, say a great problem. In the employer, although it is done the secretariat, there are protocols. In his time, those protocols, he said, Uncle True, Greater Accra, 2 continuous.
That's it, Uncle True. Then it means that he's been nationalistic enough, thinking about everybody in this country.
Wonderful. So in this country, Mungo to be my number candidate. Mungo to it. And then or nationalistic, in my paper to me. Mungo, I'm going to be money. To be money. You see him as a nationalist, no problem.
Is that not such a person we need as a president?
I go to astronaut in the idea. And the
MPP addition and him Dr. Adutwum, is that what you're saying?
You know what?
Tell me.
MPP surest bet in Japan. Simple.
Surest bet.
Surest bet. The easiest thing.
But Ghana for Air Casa, Dr. Adutwum also says so. But Ghana for Air Casa said, Monfa Kennedy, Japan, are the delegates comfortable and well situated, Sir Ometu Abamak, Honorable Kennedy Japan, to lead the new patriotic party?
Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
The only way MPP enter opposition more than 12 years is to bring Kennedy Japan. Yeah. Ghana for your problem is here. Ghana's biggest problem now is unemployment. Abi? Anna? Ghana's biggest problem now is unemployment. Is it not correct? Unemployment next, you know. Ghana for Nyama for Nibium, officer politicians, you need to crack. That is the perception out there. In this game, perception plays a role. Obviously, this time you need to crack. Kennedy Japan, 1 out of a million politicians. Okase ne ochiche motia obi amajibi awon for beji atum. So motia. Okache Ghana for so nye motia odifie. On beji atum. Okase onu or having visa among for beji atum. What I said. Now, Ghanaians don't want me ba me say you. Hey, the Maya dear. O 2 million watch this year. Me ba me we account and Ghana for petty. John Mama has been in government before. Everybody has been in government before. We are telling our grassroots that they buy me you say. Baby. Now you 2 million we me na ma gina so mama obibi. So me I'm telling the delegates say minister be MP be former minister be gina wenima. Na say who MP no a cabinet minister. Huh? Who MP a former one minister. Simple placement to back school and nyama. And we be you so control abani bi. Ha. Abani e koto mo be di ameni e komedi abani e koto no.